So my car is not on. My inverter is unhappy. But I'm heating pizza. It's actually getting warm. I was working on my computer and all of a sudden it got very, very windy outside. Well, would you believe that I don't look at weather reports? Because I don't look at weather reports. I usually look at outside. And this morning I thought that there was a storm coming in, but I just didn't think that it was started to clear up. But I just looked at the weather and yeah, and I'm directly in the middle of this bed and it's supposed to rain for 2 days. I had a friend that contacted me, like an old friend that, from years back, and they were in Quartzite this morning, which is 3 hours away. Wonder if they're still there. Should I just go to Quartzite? I hope my car makes it. It should make it. Shouldn't be a problem. Damn it, I wanted to go play in Joshua Tree. Let's figure out what to do. I don't think I could have timed that any better. I'm driving down the road going east, and it just started raining on me. The rain's coming from where I left. Wow. Talk about timing, huh? Yeah. Hi, I'm Sean. I'm a wandering vagabond. And I'm wandering again, obviously. I've been staying at the Sunfair Dry Lake Bed, just outside of Joshua Tree National Park. I've been there for like a week, and it's about to start raining on me, so it's time to go. I have a friend that got to Quartzite this morning, but apparently they've already left. But I'm still gonna go to Quartzite. Yeah, let's go to Quartzite. Still undetermined. I have a midpoint destination. So a year ago, when I was planning out a lot of these places that I was going to go to, and all the fun stuff, I found a little camp spot off the side of the road, really cool little spot, and I had a friend going out to Quartzite and asked, "Man, where's one of those like cool spots that you find? Do you have one around here?" And I chuckled and sent a pinpoint. Said, "You can be my scout." Well, they scouted out the spot and it was really cool. It was a really so that's midpoint between here and Quartzite. Yeah. Depending on how things look and how everything is, when we get there, I might stop. I don't know. Yeah. We'll see how this all goes. 20 miles and then much warmer and different. Yeah. Anyway, beautiful around me. But the sign back there said 100 miles to the next service. Or, next service is 100 miles. So, just go. I do this because I love looking at this. How can you not? I mean, I don't like looking at the car in front of me, obviously. parking lot. Let our car unaggravate itself. Alright, well, I guess to like things, fun, put it up to YouTube, ding the bell, and hit the subscribe for me. Alright, guys, well, I stopped to rest and let the car rest for a couple minutes, and looking on a map, and I found cool things to go do. So we've got adventure stops. Yeah! I gotta wonder, how many people drive down this road and don't even know that this exists? Don't take the time to stop and look at it. We're gonna stop. We're gonna take full advantage of it. Next attraction, hey, it's here. We're gonna stop and we're gonna see it. Again, another thing that I'm sure many people don't know about, and even if they drive this road, they don't stop to check it out. So why would you? We're gonna. Let's see what I'm talking about. So we're on the side of the road. Old train's next to me. We got a shoe tree. So just yards away from the shoe tree is a shoe fence. I did not show you the shoe fence. It's up to you to come out here and find the shoe fence on the road. I can't give you everything, then why would you drive down the road, right? Right. I love unexpected stops, especially when they're neat like that. Yeah, that's the only stops I found along the way. We're in the middle of the desert. So let's, alright, got 20 miles to Quartzite. My car is not the happiest, but my car is driving. Yeah, every once in a while it shows up with the error code. It gets aggravated. It's definitely not all the way happy, but it's being okay. I personally feel that Quartzite has more things so that I can fix it, rather than a dry lake bed. There was nothing on the lake bed. There was nothing around me. I had to drive 60 miles just to get to an auto parts store. So my rationale is Quartzite has a lot of people, a lot of tourists, and it is currently having a gem show and an RV show. I think I'll be okay. So we'll go there. And, yeah, I guess maybe we'll have Christmas in Quartzite. A Christmas in Quartzite. Alright guys, I'll see you when we get there. Man, so this is Quartzite. It definitely looks RV-ish to me. Okay. saw BLM land, I took the road. We're going to drive down this road and find us a place to park. Alright guys, we made it to Quartzite. Yeah, found myself a nice little camping spot. As always, we're on BLM land. It's public land. It's yours and mine. We can use it as much as we want to. Yeah. So that's it. Let's see what we get into for Christmas. Yeah, let's see what we do in this little town. All right, guys. Let's do the whole thumbs up thing and the bell thing, and because we made it here. Subscribe hits for me. Yeah. Till the next one, guys.